Adobe Creative Cloud plugins and integrations.
Hello and welcome to the 3-minute overview of my document chat plugin for Adobe XD. My name is Pablo Klaschka and I'm the plugin's developer. Document chat, in one sentence, is the free and open source privacy-first chatting solution for your Adobe XD Cloud documents. To install it, open your Creative Cloud Desktop's Plugins tab, search for document chat, install it, and you're already ready to go. Inside any document for Adobe XD, you can now open the plugin panel and chat with either yourself or, in Cloud documents with live co-editing enabled, any of your co-workers within that same document. In addition to your regular chat features, you can also jump to the document position where a chat message was written. This allows you to quickly get some context on what your coworker means by saying this when they say this needs to be improved. Also, on a slight tangent and as a quick tip, I often quote-unquote abuse this functionality of the plugin by actually using it in documents where I work completely by myself and just use it as a sort of bookmarking / to-do list functionality, for lack of a better term for it. One question that I now hope that you're asking yourself is, why should I trust this guy with my data? Because, let's face it, this is the most important question with any chatting solution. The truth is, we are actually on the same page here. Neither should you wish for me to have access to your data, because it's just unnecessary, nor do I wish to actually get your data, because, let's face it, I'm just a developer who likes tinkering around with Adobe XD, and I actually have no interest whatsoever to fight any legal battles with international privacy policy law. That's just not for me. This is why, instead of storing any chat data on another server, like conventional chatting solutions would do it, I just embed all the chat data right into your XD document, meaning I never actually get to see or handle your data in any way. Essentially, it's like chatting by using invisible text layers inside your document. And even better, because of this, I actually have no running costs based on the number of messages, meaning that instead of costing X bucks per user per month with a limit of 10,000 messages, document chat is actually completely free and even open source. If this all sounds interesting, just go ahead and install and try the plugin. You don't need any account, subscription, or anything else. Just download it, install it, and give it a shot. Thank you so much.